Renowned Apple leaker Sonny Dixon has unveiled fresh images of the upcoming iPhone 16, offering a glimpse into the device's design elements. The leaked photos showcase a refined aesthetic, building upon the success of its predecessors. Notable design changes include a revamped camera lens layout, potentially enabling advanced features like stereoscopic video recording. The images depict late-stage dummy models used for product shots and testing by third-party accessory manufacturers. These mock-ups provide an accurate representation of the final design, excluding internal circuitry and software. The leaked photos confirm a sleeker, more seamless design language, aligning with Apple's minimalist approach. With the iPhone 16 launch imminent, these exclusive images have generated significant buzz among Apple enthusiasts. The design changes and new features hinted at in these leaks are expected to further solidify the iPhone's position as a market leader in the smartphone industry. The iPhone 16 Pro series is set to debut in a trio of stunning titanium finishes: white titanium, black titanium, and natural titanium. These sleek colors exude a premium feel, perfect for those seeking a sophisticated smartphone aesthetic. Additionally, rumors suggest two new colors may join the lineup: bronze titanium and pink. These fresh hues will likely appeal to those seeking a unique and fashionable iPhone. Furthermore, the classic white and black options will remain available, providing a timeless choice for those who prefer a more understated look. Meanwhile, new pink, blue, and green options will inject a touch of vibrancy into the iPhone 16 Pro's color palette. These bold colors will undoubtedly appeal to those seeking a statement-making smartphone. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro's color lineup promises to cater to diverse tastes, ensuring there's a perfect hue for every user. The iPhone 16 series boasts a groundbreaking camera lens layout, enabling cutting-edge features like stereoscopic video recording. This innovative design allows for the capture of 3D immersive content, perfectly complementing the Apple Vision Pro headset. Users can now record and experience stunning 3D videos, blurring the lines between reality and virtual reality. Furthermore, a new capture button on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models suggests a two-stage shutter button, allowing for focus lock and improved photography functionality. This intuitive design enables users to effortlessly lock focus on their subject, ensuring crisp and clear images. The two-stage shutter button also promises to streamline the photography process, making it easier to capture life's precious moments. With these camera upgrades, the iPhone 16 series is poised to redefine the boundaries of mobile photography and videography. As the excitement builds for the upcoming iPhone 16 series, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, opinions, and expectations in the comments below. Are you eager to experience the latest camera upgrades and stereoscopic video recording capabilities? Or perhaps you're looking forward to exploring the new titanium color options. By sharing your comments, you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals passionate about Apple's latest innovations. Don't miss out on the opportunity to engage with fellow tech enthusiasts and stay up to date on the latest news and leaks. Remember to subscribe to our channel for exclusive updates, in-depth analysis, and sneak peeks into the world of Apple. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the latest developments and explore the possibilities of the iPhone 16 series.